Happy Sunday, budget friends! Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Today, you guys, we're going to go over a couple of things for our high priority cash stuffing video. So I do need to get through my expenses. I am working on a savings challenge as well as, well, a couple of savings challenges. Some of them I was trying to specifically bring back on Sundays, and then the other ones, I think it's really just going to depend on how much cash I have. And today we're working with $20, $40, $60, $70, $80, $90, $95, $100, which is fantastic given my circumstances, what I need to actually take care of. So that means we have I won't say quite a bit, but we do have a little bit to work with for savings. So that's why I went ahead and pulled this beauty back out. We have been working on her. So. All right, we're going to get to our weekly expenses first. I decided to pull out my Hogwarts finder for this cash stuffing. So let's see. Mommy getting the usual $10. And you know, I've been trying to save my $10, but I've been spending my $10. And I mean, it's fine. I think that's what it's there for. But I don't want to treat myself, but I also don't want to abuse the income. You know what I mean? I have a little bit of wiggle room, so then I'm just like, yeah, I have $10. We're gonna go, do whatever. I have it, and we can. So there's that. Gas getting $20, and I just keep up with the gas because you just need it. Household getting $10. Pets getting $10. And my boys aren't getting anything. Miscellaneous is laundry. And you guys, I've been doing really good with my laundry. Going on the days where the discounts really apply helps so much, so much. Especially with not only time, but also with the financial aspect of it. So, weekly expenses taken care of. All right, I think next we want to move on to, well, we can't move on to this one. We don't have change. We've got to get some change. Oh, my Christmas. We started last Sunday our Christmas bingo, and I think we have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But that helps. That helps a lot. Okay, I don't know where we're going to get the other 20 from. And I really don't want to put $20 into this one. I think I was kind of thinking more like $5 do our roll and save. This savings challenge is the one we're working on for the month of April. I did collaborate with a couple of ladies to support their YouTube channels, and this is the freebie that S&C Budget Creations did supply for that collaboration. It is a freebie that you can get down below. Let me grab my pen, marker, and my dice. We're going to roll the dice, see how much we're putting into this savings challenge. 1. All right, big one. Here. And let's roll again. 1 again. Okay, so let's grab a $2 bill. 2. What's happening here? It's so funny when I have money to play with to get started, get going. It just doesn't happen. We have 2 more rolls. Come on, let's get this. 3. All right. Can we get a big one? 3. Perfect. I mean, it is what it is. I was hoping for a little bit bigger numbers, but let's count this up, and let's also see if we can get some change for that 20. Oh, nope, doesn't look like we can. All right, so this savings challenge actually saved me 20, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 56 doll hairs is what the savings challenge saved me. Oh my goodness, so exciting. Okay, it is officially completed. I don't know if I'm going to print it again and try again because we're only halfway through the month, and maybe I will. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Don't hold me to it, but we might. I'm going to set this here just in case we can actually get some change. Let's see here. We're going to put $5 in there. Where do I have $20, you guys? I'm going to pull out my other binders. Let me see. Okay, so I think what I'm going to have to do is do an IOU to myself and pull some money. Okay, so I think what we'll do is I'm pulling $19 from this savings challenge, and I want it to be accurate. So I think what we'll do is we'll just pull this 20 and put it in there, and I will be $1 shy unless I can figure out the change situation. So that's just going to have to do for now because I'm not prepared, clearly. All right, so we are going to add $5 to our savings challenge to save $225 in 2025, which is from the anime collection in the Etsy shop. And 5 big ones. I'm already excited to see how well this is going. It's only the second week, and I'm hoping to get it completed by my kiddo's birthday so we can celebrate. I have quite a few things going for my kiddo's birthday, so we'll see how everything pans out. I'm hoping this week I can do a sinking funds cash stuffing because my kiddos want to do some things and there's no money in their sinking funds envelope. So let's pull out our Christmas binder. We're working on our Christmas bingo, and we have a little bit of cash to work with here. Let's see. All right, and we are going to pull out our players cards. Okay, so these are the bonus cards, the bonus amounts, and I'm not certain if we're going to, I'm not certain if we're going to, I think we might pull one. We'll start with one and see how things go, but I'm so nervous. This game makes me so nervous. Okay. All right, let's see here. So what we'll do is pull the first card in one. $3. Not bad. Okay. Okay, and let's see here. The next one. G5. $5. Okay, okay. All right, and then should we pull? This is a bonus. Bonus below. $4. Okay. $4 is not very low, but it's better than what their cards have been. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I think I want to pull, let's see. Should we pull one more card? I think we will. G1. G1, $7. Oh, geez. Okay. Okay. Whew. That was expensive. That was expensive. All right, so we'll take these completed cards and we will put them in the back here with the other completed cards so we don't have to use those again. This savings challenge is the Christmas bingo, which can save you starting at $116, going up, and depends on if you play with the bonus cards and if you're doubling or if you're adding in, you know, little fun ways to make it more pricey for the savings. Let's put these back here. And I believe these are still, at the time you're seeing, these are still just a digital. So you would have to cut them. It's actually a lot easier than, I thought it would be. It turned out perfect. All right, so, and I've printed the bingo card a couple times. I actually even have it as in the A6 size, which I think I might do next time. And let's count up what we're working with, what we're adding today, and then what is our total we have saved so far in just 2 weeks. All right, so let's see, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. Okay, so I think what we might do is reconcile our IOU. Let's do that. Where did I pull that from? The $20 came from here. Okay, so we're going to put the 19 back, and we're just going to put the extra $1 into this savings challenge. That's perfect. So now I don't have to worry about it. It's done. We've paid that back. And now we'll count up what we saved so far. 20, 40, 45, 50. I have $51. I've saved $51 for Christmas so far in this savings challenge. And then I have another savings challenge that I'm working on throughout the year. And I've shown that quite a few times. It is a savings challenge that is also in the shop. It's helping tremendously. So we have a couple bucks left. Wait a minute, is that $4? Oh, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's still perfect. What we'll do is we will add that to my, I can't close this. There we go. Okay, sorry about that. I was like trying to figure out what I'm doing. We have a staycation binder that I'm working on, and it's just a little bit of cash, like, you know, that whatever I have, I'm just going to start or continue adding. So we have food as one envelope, Victor, who's my youngest son, Vincent, who's my oldest, and then Mommy. So I think since we have 5 doll hairs, no litter bucks, so let's we'll put $2 into food and then $1 in each of our other envelopes. So let's start with food, which is getting $2. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will need to swap this money out soon because this is an A7 binder. All right, sorry, I got an interruption. Victor is going to get $1, and he now has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Vincent also getting $1, and he should have the same 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And lastly, Mommy has $1, 2, 3, $4 since we added that $1 today. That is so wonderful. I love to see that happening. And we will grab our sinking funds binder. All right, we're just going to grab our sinking funds binder, which it has a little bit of cash still left in my safety net, but we're going to add this cash from the completed savings challenge. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to print it again. I might. We'll see. I'm just going to add these funds here so we can do a sinking funds cash stuffing here in the near future. Hopefully this week. My hope is to get it done this week, but we shall see. All right, so we've completed our April savings challenge, and we've got our, I'm calling it a staycation savings challenge binder, as well as our Christmas binder, our 225 and 2025, and of course our weekly expenses, which is very, very important to try to get us through the week. Yeah, that's it, you guys. We did it. Yay. That's it. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.